Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrives in Athens on a day-long visit to Greece. Meghalaya shawl presented to Greece Prime Minister. Meghalaya police register case in connection with August 24th police mob clash at Thangskai and One Health. PHE Minister blames improper planning for delay in implementation of JJM in Meghalaya. And HYC seeks clarification from DC over job recruitment process at District Rural Development Agency. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Greece to hold bilateral talks with his counterpart K. Mitsotakis to further deepen the relationship between the two nations. Prime Minister today met President of Greece Katharina in Athens. During their meeting, Prime Minister Modi also talked about the success of Chandrayaan III mission, stating that it is not only the success of India alone, but it is the success for the whole of humankind. Meanwhile, Meghalaya shawls that carry a rich history and a royal lineage that dates back centuries was presented to the spouse of Greece Prime Minister. The shawls were worn during ceremonial occasions and festivals, and their intricate designs and vibrant colors were a reflection of the royal family's wealth and prestige. The designs used in Meghalaya shawls were highly symbolic. The East Giant Hills Police has registered a case at Lomshnang Police Station in connection with the August 24th incident where a clash occurred during a public hearing held at Meghalaya Cement Limited premises Thangskai between the police party and the protesting mob. And a video of the same has surfaced on social media platforms where some persons were seen shouting provocative slogans. Meanwhile, the state government has sought details from the district authorities on the incident. Cabinet Minister Ampreen Lingdo informed that one individual was held and the situation is now under control. The public hearing was conducted for the proposed expansion of production capacity by Meghalaya Cement Limited, Thangskai.
There was attack, there was unruly behaviors, stone pelting and other things. So to put that under control, a tear gas firing was ordered. But however, injuries were mostly on the part of the police personnel and few rowdy people who came in the name of protesting. And one person has been detained. But situation is under control and they were able to conclude the hearing subsequently.
Meghalaya Minister in charge of Public Health Engineering Marcus N. Marak has blamed improper planning in some of the projects in the initial stage for the delay of the implementation of the Jal Jeevan mission in the state. Elaborating on this, he said that there were problems with retrofitting that created hurdles in the beginning for implementation of the project in Meghalaya. The centre has set a target of connecting all rural households in the country with the tap water under the ambitious Jal Jeevan mission, and Meghalaya is trying to achieve that target by December 2023. So far, the JJM coverage in the state is 56.19%. The deadline under the JJM to connect every household with tap water ends in 2024. Admitting that some of the divisions in Garo Hills, the work has come to a halt, the PHE minister said that the department has warned the contractors in those divisions and asked them to start the work immediately. The minister said East Garo Hills district is the best performing district with 77.92%, while the worst performing district is the East Giant Hills district. Chandrayaan II orbiter revolving around the moon since 2019 has taken photos of Chandrayaan III lander Vikram. The high-resolution camera in Chandrayaan II has transmitted the photograph of the lander stationed on the surface of the moon. ISRO has tweeted that it is the best camera shot with the best resolution that anyone currently has around the moon. The tweet says, "I spy you, Chandrayaan II orbiter." A short while ago, ISRO has also tweeted a video of rover Pragyan rolling down on a ram of lander Vikram. The video captured by the lander imager camera shows the rover along with a shadow rolling down on the lunar crust. The University Hospital of Ayurveda and Naturopathy, Wuhan, Northeast India premier multi-speciality Ayurvedic hospital was inaugurated on Thursday at the USTM campus by Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo. Currently, this 100-bed Ayurvedic hospital is open at the USTM campus with interdisciplinary health research and central instrumentation facility and are already available and functioning. Addressing a gathering, Lingdo applauded the university and said USTM is a one-stop education village, an institution with a difference. USTM Chancellor Mahbubul Haque informed that before 2030, all healthcare divisions, allopathy, Unani, Siddha and homeopathy along with research will exist in the USTM campus. The hospital is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and the practitioners are highly trained and experienced in the field of Ayurveda.
And MBBS studies for the students who are now completed, eligible and mature to take part in the MBBS courses. Tomorrow we have a cabinet in the state of Meghalaya, and I will propose that we must give all and extend all support to the USDA.
The Hinutrap Youth Council West Khasi Hills District met with the Deputy Commissioner on Thursday to seek clarification over the recruitment process for the post of Technical Assistance in the District Rural Development Agency. HYC President Lumlang Kharsimli said that there were 58 applicants for the post, out of whom 7 were selected for personal interview by the screening committee. The list of selected candidates was displayed on March 16, 2023. However, on July 6th, another notice was issued stating that there would be a written examination for the selected candidates instead of a personal interview. The exam was held on July 19, 2023, wherein 7 candidates selected by the screening committee, including some extra candidates who did not appear in the list but appeared for the written examination. On August 1st, 3 candidates were selected for the final personal interview, including one of the extra candidate. The DC informed that the cancellation of the direct personal interview and the notice to instruct the candidate to take the written examination was due to the requirement of 1/3 ratio in the post. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 90% and in the evening 72%, rainfall nil, forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrives in Athens on a day-long visit to Greece. Meghalaya shawl presented to Greece Prime Minister. Meghalaya police register case in connection with August 24th police mob clash at Thangskai, One Health. PHE Minister blames improper planning for delay in implementation of JJM in Meghalaya. And HYC seeks clarification from DC over job recruitment process at District Rural Development Agency. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.